Hi, I'm Rich with New Life Scientific, and today I wanted to shoot a little video on this really nice benchtop evaporator. It's the SP GeneVac EZ-2 4.0. This is actually the Elite model, so it does come with the upgraded Edwards SDX 6i scroll pump. And I just got done downloading some of the files on the machine to look at, what kind of use it is. It actually has less than 200 hours on the actual motor, the rotor motor, and less than 200 hours on the compressor, and just very little use on the machine at all. But just some of the nice things I like about the newer version is it has this floating platform that allows to take a lot of the vibration out from your tabletop to your machine. And you can see as I wiggle it, it just kind of floats on that, and it's kind of a nice option. I really like the touch screen. Some touch screens are a little fidgety. This one's really nice to use. It goes through, and you can easily just touch it. You don't have to keep hitting it. So I love the touch screen option on it. And like it can go right to the methods, and you can make some change and add your name there. But you can run the system test real easy, and the utilities, you can do the test mode, system values, alarm history. There's a lot of your typical buttons. Nothing has really changed, I don't think, on that, but it's just a very simple to use machine. Just plug and play. Not a whole lot has changed as far as the rotor from the older generation, but really nice machine. It's first one we've ever got in, and it's been nice to have the newest generation here for us to play with. And I just wanted to kind of just show it off. We did include a brand new waste jug with it too that we purchased, so it is turnkey when you get it. But if you have any questions on this, if you need us to run it, we've ran the tests already on it. It works great. Like I said, very little use. So, but if you got any questions on it, give us a call here at New Life Scientific, and thank you for watching.